What's up everyone? Welcome to another video. In this video, I'll replace the battery in a 2014 through 2020 Chevy Impala. The process takes a little bit of monkeying around, so let's go through it. So here's the battery. Pull off the battery cover to remove it and set it aside. This is the negative battery terminal, and the positive battery terminal is under here. First, use a 10mm socket to loosen and remove the negative battery cable. Always disconnect the negative terminal first. Next, you can loosen and remove the positive battery cable, then flip up and remove this hold-down strap. Then open this cover. There are two retaining clips that just needs to be pulled out and pushed up to release the cover. Then fold the cover up. And there's more room to disconnect the battery cable and the hold-down strap with the cover up if needed. Now, use a 13mm socket to remove this nut and disconnect the positive battery cable. Next, it's time to remove this from the top of the battery. It's clipped onto the battery on each side. The clips need to be pulled away from the battery and lifted up. And you can use a flat screwdriver to pry it away if needed. And there we go. And last, it's time to remove the battery hold-down bracket. Use a 13mm socket to remove the bolt and the hold-down bracket. It can be tricky to get down there, so as an alternative, you can easily remove this front plate to get more access if you want to. Either way, it's time to lift the battery up and out of the battery tray. But before we take it away, notice these two pins under here. They seat in these two holes on top of the battery, and the hook clips under the side of the battery. Now let's bring in the new battery and set it into the tray. It's time to reverse the removal process. Reinstall the battery hold-down bracket with a 13mm socket. And if you remove the front panel for additional access, put it back. Line up the two pins under the bracket with the holes in the top of the battery, and snap this bracket back onto the top of the battery. Reinstall the positive battery cable and the hold-down nut with a 13mm socket. Reinstall the strap and the battery cable to the positive battery terminal, then tighten it down with a 10mm socket. Then snap the cover shut, and that's all set. Reinstall the negative battery cable to the negative battery terminal and tighten it down. And reinstall the battery cover, which can be tricky to line up and snap in. Then the job is complete. And that wraps this up. As always, I hope you found it helpful. Subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.